Hi guys, in this video I'm going to explain how to set everyone ringtone in our Android phone. It's a very easy and simple video. Let us check how it works. For that you just go to your file manager, select the song which you have to set as your ringtone. I have my song in my music folder. Just long press it and copy it. All we have to do is just paste the song in a folder named ringtone. This is the folder named ringtone. I will select the folder and paste it. Now the song is pasted, and go to settings now. Go to sounds, found ringtone. Now you have to check whether the song is in our ringtone list or not. Yeah, it's there, iPhone 6 originals, and this is how we set a ringtone which we need to set. It's very easy. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.